The Metropolitan Manila Development Authority will recommend to President Bongbong Marcos to place all national government agencies under the adjusted working hours implemented by local government units from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. During the Metro Manila Council meeting on Thursday, January 16, MMDA Chairman Don Artes says that placing national government agencies under the adjusted working hours can help address heavy traffic and congestion in Metro Manila.
Isa sa mga consideration natin yan sa ating pag-recommend sa Pangulo na i-cover na rin yung lahat ng NGAs sana kung papayagan para rin siguro makatulong sa decongestion kasi nakita natin sa mga LGUs na nag-implement merong substantial improvement sa travel time hindi lamang ng sasakyan pati ng mga empleyado.
Last year, the Metro Manila Council passed a resolution mandating the adjustment of working hours of local government units from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. The resolution, which is aimed at improving traffic and commuting conditions, states that the traditional 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. working hours of government officers align with the standard working hours of private companies, thereby contributing to traffic congestion in Metro Manila.
Siguro makakatulong yan makabawas unang-una sa public transport. Imagine mo, almost 500,000 yung mga empleyado, ilan po sa kanila ang bumibiyahe. So makakaiwas na sila sa pagsabay doon po sa mga ibang bumibiyahe, yung mga nagtitransact. So, yeah, dapat po matapos namin yung recommendations bago magsimula yung rehabilitation po ng EDSA.
In the same meeting, the MMDA shows a report that an estimated 220,000 government employee commuters who use public transportation will avoid joining rush hour with private sector employees. It also shows that 37.15% of the over 470,000 national government employees in Metro Manila use private vehicles during the rush hour.